I-band is
by the
bisected
Z-line.
by the Z-line.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how that works. Okay.
Lord, if I get someone to ask a question, I'd be happy to share something. Most of the time, no one says anything.
Well, now that you put down the stick, I'm less intimidated to talk.
What?
Now that you put down the stick, I'm less intimidated. You're tapping that thing all over the place. I didn't know if I think everyone woke up.
Is it upside down?
It's hard to tell, but yes. No. Hey, it was all kinds upside down.
Okay, look. Half of an I-band, half of an I-band, and A-band.
Mhm.
Look here. A full I-band,
I can't
A-band,
see.
half full, Z-line to Z-line is the sarcomere.
Can you do that the other way so I can see? I get shoulder block.
There you go. A full I-band divided by a Z-line.
Z-line.
A-band, actin and myosin. Half of an I-band, a full I-band, and the Z-line.
Cool.
So,
Okay.
sarcomere from Z-line to Z-line. You see that?
Mhm.
This is a myofibril. Now remember in tissues, when we dealt with tissues, do you remember that there were the striations in the muscle?
Mhm.
Striated muscle, well, the
A and
striations are due to the I-band, A-band, I-band, A-band, and even though the myofibrils run parallel this way, the striations run this way. You understand that?
Mhm.
That would be similar to where you have the Z-line. Yeah. No, that's totally wrong. It would be where you have one muscle cell come in contact with another muscle cell. And they are the intercalated discs are where you have what we call gap junctions, where you have proteins. Remember?
Going through the pores.
Yeah, you remember I was describing the neuromuscular junction as being a chemical junction?
Mhm.
Well, not all cells work that way. Some cells work like this. There's the end of one cell, and here's the end of another cell like that. But they've got protein channels joining them like that. And these channels allow for neurons to interact together without chemicals. It's a direct connection. It's like tying two wires together. Okay. These tubules are called connex rods.
So then it would be a lot less neurons or axons to make those muscles
Faster, much faster reaction time. And it's very similar. The reason that cardiac muscles have got these types of junctions, these gap junctions, is because if you know that you got the pathway in the heart, you'll learn in 2402 this, is that it starts here at the SA node, goes across the atria, down through the interventricular septum, and up to the Purkinje fibers up through the heart. There was a pathway to follow. The pathway is because of these connexons allowing the direct communication between cells. And in 2402, you'll also learn about these paracrine hormones that stimulate. Remember in our discussions of the pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium?
Mhm.
Remember they were hairy? Cilia. Well, those cilia by chemical communication, they set up waves in the respiratory system, in the oviducts. The reason the egg goes down through the uterus is because of the fact that they have these cilia that are flowing, causing the currents to flow in one direction or another, go down. So it's very unique how all this stuff works, but it doesn't always work perfect. Once we have problems, that's why you have a job. Things go wrong. Any questions over this?